The Improv Speaker. Adapt and thrive on stage. Master spontaneous public speaking with Improvisational Techniques. New book by Darin Martineau. Are you tired of feeling chained to a script? Dreading unexpected questions, or struggling to connect genuinely with your audience? The Improv Speaker offers a revolutionary approach to public speaking, directly applying the agility and quick wit of improvisational theater to your presentations. This isn't about memorizing lines, it's about mastering the art of thinking on your feet. Discover how to transform unexpected moments into opportunities, deliver dynamic speeches without rote preparation, and handle Q&A sessions with confidence and authenticity. Through practical exercises and real-world scenarios, you'll learn active listening, spontaneous creativity, and how to engage any audience, making every presentation a unique and memorable experience. Break free from rigidity and become the dynamic, adaptable speaker you were meant to be. Click the link below to get this book now.